Hello learners, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. On the special occasion of Teachers Day, I have already uploaded the concept of teacher's role. That is, the role of the teacher in every aspect of student's life, part 1 video on September 1st. Now today, I am going to continue the role of the teacher in the part 2 video. Please watch it to the end. The role of a teacher as a co-learner. Teachers have to facilitate and inspire creativity in students, including inventiveness, problem solving, and reflecting through the use of digital tools, collaborative tools, and co-learning experiences. Teachers' evaluations based on multiple and varied formative and summative assessments aligned with content and technology standards. Teachers must exhibit technology-based collaboration and communication and use information resources to support research and learning. Teachers should promote work to foster a global perspective in students. Let's watch teacher's role as a negotiator. Teacher, being a negotiator, should have a negotiation between students, should have negotiation between parents, as well as teacher should have negotiation with other professionals. Teacher's role as a facilitator of learning experiences. Teachers need to be able to build trusting relationships with students in order to create a safe, positive, and productive learning environment. The teacher should be a compassionate person and having caring, kind personality and sensitivity to student differences, particularly with learners. Teachers should incorporate knowledge of the cognitive, social, and emotional development of learners. Dedication refers to a love of teaching or passion for the work, which includes commitment to students' success. Teachers should be able to engage and motivate students to learn. Role of a teacher as a leader in managing classroom dynamics. Number 1. Commitment to the students. Committees to determine the optimum amount of time students should spend in different subjects. Student-teacher mentoring programs to orient and coach new teachers. Projects to review and recommend new approaches to homework. Second, passionate about teaching and learning. Lead a group to review and comment on the adopted approaches to teaching various topics. Deliver presentations to student teachers on best practices within the classroom. Research alternative classroom assessment methods and present to the administration. Third, collaboration with others. Gather information about the best professional development opportunities for teachers. Create an in-service program to teach alternative classroom techniques. Review current school recognition policies and make recommendations on additional ways to reward the teachers. Fourth, communication and rapport. Create a classroom or department newsletters. Research approaches to holding parent or teacher conferences. Present different speaking styles to teachers to try in the classroom in front of the students. Fifth, embracing change. Personal and professional development classes. Substitute teaching in other types of school settings. Observing the changes made by other teachers and facilities. This is a tree diagram which shows the teacher's role as a good leader. So, good leader being a teacher should have all these qualifications in him or her. Inspiration, integrity, clear goals, good example, vision, clear communication, expecting the best, supportive, encouragement, recognition, stimulating work, focus on team interests and needs. Here team in the sense students and parents. Next, role of a teacher in environmental education. During 1996 to 1997, a National Resource Center in Environmental Education was also being established to promote better awareness, understanding, and sharing of experiences and materials in environmental education. The role of teachers and educators is to spread awareness about environmental issues and problems is immense, huge, big. Teachers can play a pivotal role, a major role in transmitting knowledge and creating awareness about environment and help to tackle the local and global environmental issues. Tackle in the sense dealing the environmental and global issues. The teachers' community should be motivated and committed to the cause of realizing the goals of environmental education and should take initiativeness in designing the program of environment education. Okay, learners, I am signing off. Take care. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.